so in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to use MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, if you already installed MetaTrader 5, you can skip to this timestamp, okay? If not, you can go to Google and type MetaTrader 5 and click on the first option. You will go to this website. We have here download for Windows. We have for Linux and for Mac. Choose the one you want. For me, I have a Windows, so I will click on this one. Now click on save. And now, as you can see, this is my MetaTrader 5 setup. So click on it. Click on yes. Click on next. And now you have to wait for a few moments. Okay, now just click on finish. And as you can see, this is our MetaTrader 5. Now, first of all, we have to open a demo account. So go to file here at the top left, click on it, then click on open an account. Now we have here MetaCodes Ltd. If you can't see it here, just type it here on the search bar. Okay, so for me, I will click on it, click on next, and we have here open a demo account, click on next, and you have to add here your first name, your second name, date of birth, an email, your phone number, and you have to add the deposit here, and this is for the leverage, okay? After that, click on I agree. You can change the leverage if you want, and click on next, okay? So I will click on next, and click on finish. Now I've added my demo account. If I go to trade here, as you can see, balance 100,000 USD, okay? Now let's remove these other charts here. I will remove this one, and this one. Click on it here. Now let's say you want to add multiple charts. So all you have to do is go to this icon here, click on it one time, and you have to make this one smaller, for example, like this. And let's add, for example, USD GPY. And let's add the odd USD. And let's add the New Zealand dollars, okay? Now click on this icon here, arrange windows, as you can see, okay? Now you know how to add multiple charts. Now let's say, for example, you want to remove the grid. All you have to do is click on Ctrl G in your keyboard, like this. If you want to bring back, click on Ctrl G again, okay? I think that you get the idea. Now, if you want to remove this moving average, okay, this one, all you have to do is right click on it and click on delete indicator. Or you can right click here on the chart, click on indicator list, click on moving average, and click on delete close, as you can see. Also, if you can't see this trade panel here, sometimes it doesn't show. So all you have to do is click on it here, as you can see, like this. Now, if you want to change the pair, of course, click on it here and drag it like this. Now, if you are looking for a pair that doesn't show up here in the watch list, all you have to do is click on this icon here, and you have to look for it here. So let's go, for example, to metals, and let's add silver versus USD. So click on it here, and click on show symbol, and click on OK. As you can see, this is that pair. Now you can just drag it and drop it on the chart like this. The same thing with the US 30 or the SPX 500, okay? Now, let's say, for example, you want to change the candle's color. So all you have to do is right-click on the chart and click on Properties. And now we have here bar up, bar down, bull candle, and bear candle. So let's say I want to change the bull candles to green. So all you have to do is you have to change the bar up and the bull candle. So we have here green. I will change black to green here. For example, this one, as you can see. Now let's change the bear candle to red, for example. So you have to change bar down to red, this one, and bear candle also to red, this one, and click on OK. And now, as you can see, we changed our candle colors. Now, let's say, for example, you want to add an indicator. All you have to do is go to Insert here at the top left and click on Indicators. And we have here the type of indicator you want to add. So let's say, for example, I want to add a MACD. So all you have to do is go to Oscillators and click on MACD here. We have here the settings. You can change them if you want, okay? After that, click on OK. As you can see, this is our MACD. If you want to remove it, right-click on it and click on delete indicator. If you want to add the moving averages, insert, indicators, trend, and we have here moving average. Now you can choose the period here, for example, the 20 SMA. So choose period. Method, I will keep it on simple because SMA stands for simple moving average. And if you want to add an EMA, choose this one, exponential, because EMA stands for exponential moving average. After that, we have here style. This is for the color of your moving average. We have here the type of the line, and we have here the thickness of the moving average. So I will choose, for example, this one and click on OK. And now, as you can see, this is our 20 moving average or 20 SMA. If you want to remove it, right click on it and click on delete indicator. If you want to add text to your chart, click on this T here and you can type your text, for example, here. Go to description and type whatever you want. So let's say, for example, low, lower, low. Just for example, we have here the color. You can change it if you want. We have here parameters. This is the font. This is the text size and this is the font. Okay. You can change them if you want. After that, click on OK. As you can see, this is our text. If you want to move it, click on this dot here and you can move it wherever you want. As you can see, for example, here. If you want to remove it, click on the dot, right click and click on delete. Here at the top, we have the time frames. So we have the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. This is the 1 hour, 4 hour, as you can see, 1 week and 1 month. If you want to add a Fibonacci, go to this one, this icon, click on it and add your Fibonacci. If you want to add levels to this Fibonacci, right click on it, click on properties, go to levels, scroll down until the end and click on add. Now let's say, for example, I want to add the 79% level. So type here 0.79 and here also type 0.79 and click on add and click on OK. And as you can see, we added this level. If you want to remove a level, right click on it again, click on properties, go to levels and choose the level you want to remove. So let's remove that level again, this one, click on it and click on delete. OK. If you want to remove this moving average, right click on it and click on delete. Also, you can add the trend lines and the horizontal vertical lines from here, as you can see. For example, this is the horizontal line, this is the vertical line, and this is for the trend line. Like this, as you can see. Now let's remove them. Now let's see how you can buy and sell on MetaTrader. Okay, so let's say, for example, I want to buy now. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame. And let's say I want to buy now. Okay, so if I want to buy, my stop loss must be here and my take profit must be here. Just for example, just for the sake of this video, for you, you have to do your analysis on all of that stuff. Okay, so click on buy, click on I accept and click on OK. That will happen only for the first time. So you have to change here the lot, for example, 1 lot, and click on buy. As you can see, we placed our order here. Now let's say, for example, you want to add a stop loss to it. So all you have to do is click on stop loss. You have to choose your stop loss. So let's say, for example, my stop loss will be 34,570. Okay, 34,570. And my take profit will be here, 810. And click on modify. Now, as you can see, this is my stop loss and this is my take profit. As you can see, I'm losing money. Now let's place another order. And now, as you can see, when you see color red, you are losing money. If you see color blue, then you are making money. If you want to close your order, click on it here. As you can see, the order now is closed. And that's it. So this is how you can use MetaTrader 5. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.